The 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, remote vehicle start, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.